This is the Rhino USA 5/8 hitch pin, with solid steel, weatherproof cap. Alright, this can be raked. So I'm going to go in top of the keyway, put a little light to no tension on there, get the covert instruments way brake. I don't know if I got it or if I lost it. No, I didn't get it. Put that back in there. Light tension, covert instruments way brake. There we go. And it comes apart. Obviously this is a hitch pin. Put it in. Turn it. Alright. So now to pick this, I'm going to use the covert instruments turning tool in 50 thousandths. I would go top of the keyway. This is another one of those locks where it's just faster to rake it. So going in, there's nothing on 1, 2, little click out of 3, little click out of 4, another little click out of 3, a little click out of 2, nothing on 1 still, 4, coming back up to 1, we got nothing on 1, we got nothing on 2, there we go, we got a click out of 3, got another click out of 3, 2, another click out of 4, 2, alright, we got a little click out of 1, another out of 3, another out of 4, let's see, come back to 1 again, alright, got another good click out of 1, little click out of 2, 3, alright, one more out of 1, damn. Do I need to get, yeah, there we go, and it opened on 1, so 1's just set real high. That took a couple minutes to get into trying to pick it because let me move some stuff here. I want to pull something out for comparison. So this is the Reese tow line hook or hitch lock. I'm sorry. And this lock can also, let me get it the right way. This lock can also be raked very easily. But the difference is between these two locks, one, this only has to be raked once and the whole thing comes apart. This one you have to rake 12 times. This one you pick it once, it's open. This one you have to pick 12 times. I have videos and shorts. I can rake it open in less than a minute, but you have less than a minute compared to 20 seconds. So okay, so the Rhino USA is bigger. It is solid steel. It'd be way harder to cut. This one is thinner. It'd probably be easier to cut through, but just the time that it takes to actually get them open, you know, use your own judgment on whether you buy these or not. But personally, myself, if I was going to buy a lock for a trailer hitch or anything like that, honestly, I would just spend the extra money and get the Pack Lock, the Pacific Lock Company trailer hitch. I mean, this one was $25, this one was $20. The Pack Lock is about $100, but I mean, on a trailer that could cost anywhere from $5 to how many ever $1,000 if you have a camper. I mean, some campers are about $500,000 now. If you're gonna spend the money on that, you might as well spend the money on the protection. I might try to order a Pack Lock just to show the difference, but it might take a little time. So yeah, that is the Rhino USA 5/8 hitch pin review, I guess.